Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking a look at Maisto's design series. This is actually the transport series. Kind of confusing. And this is new from them. This is the Porsche Cayenne, which is pulling a Porsche 918 Spyder, or PORSCHE, however you'd like to pronounce it. And we will take a closer look at this. This set features a white Cayenne with black plastic interior, chrome steering wheel, black wheels, a black plastic trailer, and I would say the highlight of this set is the white 918 Spyder with the Visoc package. We will take a closer look at each one of them. First, we'll take a look at the Cayenne. I believe this is not a new casting from them, but we have some great details. The way the underneath is done, it's a plastic base and it's held together with Phillips head screws, so you could take it apart if you wanted to do whatever to it, like take the hitch off or swap the wheels. The hitch is pretty obnoxious on it, but I would say it's probably more, designed for a child to play with. It's very beefy, but it is plastic, it's not metal. Well, the tampos actually look really good on this, and the Cayenne Turbo logo looks great. And the badging on the front looks good. The headlights look really nice. It's a little too blinged out for my taste. The size of the rims look like they'd be like 32s or something in real life. It's really not my taste, but being black on black, it's not as noticeable when you have it sitting and you're displaying it. And paint job's not bad. We could add mirror glass to it and you'd be pretty much done with this. Really wouldn't need to do much to soup it up. Now it doesn't really roll very well. This also does have, like I said, it's plastic black rims, and then it does have rubber tires, which is nice. We'll go ahead here and take a look at the trailer next with the 918. The 918 I had reviewed before because I had purchased a set just for the 918, so I can put a link up for the 918. I won't go into that too deeply today, since you guys have probably seen that before. The trailer I had not looked at before, so I want to examine that and see how this is put together here. It's all plastic, it really doesn't weigh anything. Okay, now it does come down. It was kind of a little difficult. You kind of have to pull it up and out to get it to swing down. I like the wheels actually on it, are pretty nice. And they do have rubber tires, but really there's not much to the trailer itself. It's kind of flimsy, but not bad, not bad. But like I said, mainly I bought it just for the white 918 because it's that well executed that I had to have it, and it's impressive, I think, for the money, the whole set. If you're just buying it for the 918, you're still getting your money's worth. So there you go. That's today's diecast look. We'll put it back together here and put it back on the turntable, and as my daughter sings in the background. Sorry about that if it shows up on video. So, and the dog, of course. There's the dog freaking out. So until next time, we'll see you guys later. All right, bye now.